this is Matt from Matt Hart's Ice Cream. I'm here at Dairy Queen trying the new Blizzard. Now, Dairy Queen is a name for the soft serve that John McCullough developed in 1938. Soft serve is just like ice cream except for lower milk fat and has air added to it at the point of freezing. This extra air makes it creamier in texture. Now, during a trial run, John McCullough was able to sell 1,600 servings in 2 hours. The Dairy Queen soft serve is found in pretty much all their products, from shakes and malts, sundaes and parfaits, to the new ice cream cakes that they're selling. Now, in 1985, Dairy Queen introduced the Blizzard. It's inspired by concrete. It's the soft serve with like M&M's, Reese's, Snickers, other stuff mixed into it. In Canada, you can actually get Smarties mixed in as one of the flavors, which gives me another reason that I want to go to Canada. I must have been about 9 or 10 when I realized, hey, I have an allowance, so I have my own money, and I have my bike, so I have my own mobility, and I really don't need my parents to take me to a restaurant. So one Saturday, after mowing the lawn, I rode down to the local Dairy Queen and bought my Blizzard with my own money. So to me, Blizzards kind of taste like independence. Like, that was my first taste of freedom growing up. Now, the Blizzard we're going to be sampling today is the April's Blizzard of the Month, the Caramel Delight Pie. It's a caramel blizzard with chocolate chunks and little flakes of the pie. Wow, I like this a lot. It's really caramely. It's got little flecks of chocolate, and the pie crust is super rad. The pie crust, I have to say, is easily the best part of this Blizzard. Now, the mini Blizzard, Caramel Delight Blizzard, is 420 calories and 20 grams of fat. If you've been eating right all day, you shouldn't have a problem incorporating it into your diet. Now, I'm going to recommend the Mini Blizzard. It's a brand new invention. I like it way better than the large Blizzards, which are easily pushing 1,400 calories in one serving. So definitely pick up a Mini Blizzard. This is definitely a delight, as the Caramel Pie Delight. And on a scale of 1 to 5, I give this 3 scoops of happiness.